Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So I partnered with Wigencounters to bring you guys a headband wig tutorial. So this is a product that has been trending now in the natural hair community. So I thought it would be perfect as a cute protective style. So I decided to get the Kinky curly texture in 16 inches. So this hair is Remy Indian and it is high quality. So after unboxing, it comes with the headband wig in there and it's packaged really nicely. And they also send a few headbands for you to use to cover up the band. So mine came with a headband and it also came with a satin scarf and a wig cap. So anytime I get new hair, I make sure that I clean the hair before I use it just to prevent irritation on my skin. So I'm using a really moisturizing, gentle, sulfate-free shampoo on the hair so it doesn't dry out the hair too much. And after shampooing that hair really gently, just one lather, I follow up with a really moisturizing conditioner. This just helps to soften up the hair and also bring out those curls even more. And then I follow up with a leave-in conditioner and detangle and then allow the hair to air dry overnight. Okay, so it's the next day and the hair is completely dried. So it did become kinkier after washing and conditioning it and combing it out. So I am so happy to see that the kinky texture has returned to this unit. So it looks amazing and it feels very soft right now. It feels very hydrated and well conditioned. So I'm just going to rest it over here and I will be getting my hair ready to put on my headband wig. So right now I have in mini twist. So what I'm going to be doing is taking out the front section of my twist so that I can use it as a leave out. So these two will be my styler. So this is the gel I will be using and I will be following up with an edge control. And right here I pinned the hair down instead of forming a bun so that the top of the wig can lay flat. This is the wig cap that it comes with right here. So these are the straps. So it actually has two straps. So it comes with a Velcro strap right here and you can adjust it. You can make it as tight, as loose as you want, or as tight as you want depending on your head size. And it also comes with a second adjustable strap right here, similar to a bra strap, so you can hook it as tight or as loose as you want depending on the size of your head. So I do notice a comb in the back, and this is the only comb to hook and secure the wig so it doesn't move. Okay, so this wig is so simple to put on. This is a true throw on and go wig. That's what I love about the headband wig, and I just had to try it. So I'm just gonna put it over my head, and I'm gonna take that hook in the back, make sure that I hook it so that wig doesn't move. Then put it over my hair. Okay, and it's that simple. So it is nice and secured to my head. This is how my hairline looks in the front right here, and it is so gorgeous, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this wig. I know I am going to be so in love with this wig, especially since it's a real throw on and go. I just didn't have the patience to learn how to do lace wigs. I felt like, why wear a wig if you have to do so much work? I might as well just wear my natural hair. Okay, so now that the wig is applied, so it comes with 2 different bands. So they do send random bands, but you can buy like cute customized ones on different places on the internet. So it comes with this one. This one matches my shirt, so I'm gonna be going with this nice tropical look since it has the little yellow in there to match my shirt. I feel like it's perfect. And it also has a satin wrap that I can use in replacement of that. So this will definitely give a different style to the wig. So you can use your headband of choice just to cover up that black band so no one knows that you're wearing a headband wig. So it looks like it just blends seamlessly with your hair, and you just put a band over it. So it is covered up, as you can see right there. And this texture is so gorgeous. As you can see, it blends in nice with my hairline, with it being gelled back. So you can fluff it out. This hair, you can actually define it more with gel, but I love the carefree afro look to this hair, so that's what I'm going for, which is why I combed it out when I applied that leave-in conditioner. So this is the end result, and I absolutely love the headband wig, guys. I've been seeing these videos all over YouTube, and I feel like it is so revolutionary. Oh my goodness, because I didn't have the patience to learn how to do lace. I just felt like it was just too much work doing lace and cutting and curling and bleaching the knots. I just never took the time to learn, because I'm like, okay, I could be putting that energy into my real hair. Why wear a wig if you have to do so much work to put it on? It feels more like I'm getting a weave done than wearing a wig. So I love how the headband wig, you can actually just throw it on and go, and it's so easy to take off at night. Oh my goodness, this is everything. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Wigencounters. They have different textures. You can get the Afro Kinky, they have looser textures, they have straight hair. They have so many textures and lengths to choose from. So head on down to the description box down below. There's more information down there, and they're also getting ready to launch their Black Friday sale, so be on the lookout for that. So this is definitely one I recommend. I do recommend that you invest in a headband wig, and this is a quality wig. This one is made of real human hair, so the quality is definitely there. It doesn't shed much. It only shed when I comb the hair, and as you can see, it has minimal shedding. I'm pulling the hair and there's barely any hair coming out, just a few strands, but it's nothing crazy. So yeah, the quality is so nice, and I'm so grateful I got the chance to try this out. So look out, because you guys are going to be seeing this headband wig a lot, because I am in love. I actually think it's better than clip-ins. I feel like it's less work than even wearing clip-in extensions. This is definitely amazing. So I also want to mention that this wig feels very lightweight on my head, and it's extremely comfortable to wear all day. It isn't too tight, but it also doesn't feel too loose where it feels unstable, like it will fall off at any moment. I absolutely love the way it feels on my head. Very comfortable and easy to wear. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. Let me know if you will be trying a headband wig, and do you own a headband wig? And don't forget to check out Wigencounters website to get your headband wig. See you in my next video. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos. Bye bye.
It's a good day. You gotta find peace today. Get out your own way. Mind over matter. Matter of fact, you gotta treasure what's inside of you. I'm just out here living.